Hi guys, so welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn how to wire and code for a button to turn on an LED. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to wire a circuit to turn on an LED through a button, how to code this circuit, what and what not to do while creating your circuit and code, and helpful tips. So while creating your circuit, we're going to go step by step. Pause and replay this video at any point if necessary. Okay, so first things first, we're going to put together and build your circuit. On your right is an example of how your circuit should look like after you're done building it. For your circuit today, you will need an Arduino, a breadboard, any type of resistor, a button, any color LED, and a handful of wires. This should be all the materials you need except your breadboard and your Arduino. Now it's time to get building. Step 1. Find your 5V and ground pins on the Arduino. To your left should be a picture of where the 5V and ground pins are labeled. Step 2. Wire the pins to the proper spot on the breadboard. Your 5V wire should go on the red positive side of the breadboard, while your ground wire should go on the blue negative side of the breadboard. Step 3. Pick a pin number on your Arduino. So from slots 2 to 13 are the available pin numbers you are allowed to pick. Step 4. Wire the pin number of your choice and a 5V wire to your button, which should be put in the center of your breadboard. So your button has 4 legs, 2 should go on one side and 2 should go on the other. Your 5V wire coming from the red positive side of the breadboard should be wired to one leg, and the pin number you recently chose should be wired to the other leg on opposite sides of the breadboard. Step 5. Place your resistor of choice in your breadboard. So to your left, you will see one of your resistor legs matching up with your third button leg. Step 6. Place your LED next to your resistor on the positive side. So look at your LED. Your LED has 2 legs. One is shorter and one is longer. The longer leg is going to match up with your second leg of your resistor. Step 7. Pick a different pin number and wire it to the negative side of your LED. In the beginning of this tutorial, you picked one pin number. Now you need to pick another one between 2 and 13. This pin number will be wired on the short leg of your LED. Step 8. Wire ground wire to the negative side of your LED. This ground wire is coming from the blue negative side of your breadboard and is going to go next to the short leg of your LED. So now we are going to create your code to go along with your circuit we just built. On your right is an example of how your code should look. Step 1. Open up the Arduino application and exit out any of the existing code if there is any. So if there's any code on your screen, exit out of it immediately. Step 2. At the top of your screen there should be a File tab. Go down and click Examples, then go over, click O2 Digital, and then go over again and click Button. This should open the button example code that you will use. Step 3. Go to your first lines of code and change the pin numbers to the ones you used for your circuit. So the pin that you wired to your button is your button pin, and the pin that you wired to your LED is your LED pin. Step 4. Click the check mark at the top left-hand corner to verify your code. This makes sure your code is ready to use and there are no errors in it. Step 5. Check that you connected to the right board and port by going under Tools. The right board that you're going to use is the Arduino Uno board, and the right port you're going to use is the Bluetooth incoming port. This cord that you see right in front of you is a USB cord. This cord will be used to transfer your code from your computer to your Arduino. Step 6. Click the arrow at the top left-hand corner to upload your code. Make sure your USB cord is plugged into both your Arduino and your computer when you do this. Now your circuit should be ready for use. Even though you followed this video, please make sure you test your circuit to see if it works properly. To your left is a video of how your circuit should look and work. Thanks for watching!